Welcome back. The opposition People's National Party (PNP) says it has not given up in its fight against the National Identification Registration Act (NIDS). Speaking at a PNP meeting in Clarendon last night, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips says the matter is to be taken to court. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
The National Identification Registration Act was passed last November with objections from various groups, including the parliamentary opposition. Just last week, the government indicated during the throne speech that it is moving ahead with developing the National Identification and Registration Authority regulations to accompany the act. But for the PNP, the matter is far from over.
We plan to go to court over the National Identification Bill because we're not leaving it, sir.
With issues like crime still a big talking point for the opposition, Dr. Phillips says he wants to have dialogue with the government.
We in the People's National Party are calling for the Vale Royal talks to take place quickly and urgently, and to begin with the discussion of crime and the fixing of the criminal justice system. Because since them not here, we want to talk with them directly, earnestly.
In relation to the appointment of the Chief Justice, Dr. Phillips argues that the Prime Minister still needs to correct his error in appointing Justice Brian Sykes to act in the post.
We hear the cabinet issue a statement. We hear somebody from the press leak it say Friday gone and go have signing. But the one thing we have not heard from the Prime Minister is a clear statement that he's going to correct his mistake. Because his one man can make it simple, you know. Issue a statement that says, as soon as the constitutional arrangements can be completed, I will confirm the appointment of the Chief Justice. Solve everything. Nobody don't have to leak nothing. Nobody don't have to report what you're going to say. You can just say it yourself, but what happened? Here's tough.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.